A brief and almost unnoticed product page on Amazon Germany may have just given us our first real look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. The listing appeared quietly, stayed live for only a short time, and then disappeared without explanation. DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, but if you followed this company long enough, you know this kind of leak rarely happens by accident. DJI has a long history of allowing early listings to surface just before major launches, often as part of a carefully timed rollout. And according to this leaked page, the Pocket 4 is expected to arrive around March 2026. That timing actually makes a lot of sense. DJI usually delays releases slightly to ensure accessories, firmware, and companion apps are fully ready on day one. If that strategy holds, the Pocket 4 won't just launch as a camera, it'll launch as a complete ecosystem. A late February to March 2026 release window feels very realistic. Now let's talk about what really matters, the hardware. One of the most interesting details in the listing mentions a 2.5 cm CMOS sensor, which strongly points to a 1-inch type sensor. That would be a major upgrade and a clear signal that DJI is prioritizing image quality this generation. A larger sensor means better dynamic range, cleaner low-light footage, and more natural highlights and shadows. Instead of chasing higher resolution numbers, DJI seems focused on improving real-world image quality, which matters far more for everyday creators. Video performance is also expected to see a noticeable jump. Leaks point to 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second. Whether this becomes truly usable will depend on heat management and bitrate control. If DJI gets thermal performance right, slow-motion footage could finally be practical even during longer recording sessions, not just short bursts. Another major change may be the introduction of a dual camera system. Early leaked images appear to show two lenses on the front of the Pocket 4. The most likely setup is a standard wide-angle lens paired with roughly a 40mm equivalent lens. That would bring true optical zoom to the Pocket series for the first time. Unlike digital zoom, optical zoom lets you frame tighter shots without sacrificing image quality, making the Pocket 4 far more versatile for travel, vlogging, and detail shots. Low-light performance also seems to be a focus this year. A dual-sensor approach could allow each camera to be optimized for different lighting conditions. This won't turn the Pocket 4 into a mirrorless camera, but it could finally give users more confidence shooting indoors or after sunset. Design-wise, leaks suggest a slightly larger and stronger gimbal head, likely needed to stabilize the longer focal length lens. Improved motor tuning and better horizon control could result in noticeably smoother walking footage. The body itself appears slimmer, built with more robust materials, and textured arms for better grip, while still staying genuinely pocket-friendly. There are also signs of improved audio. A horizontal bar beneath the lenses may house upgraded microphones or new accessory mounting points. Better built-in sound would reduce reliance on external mics and make quick, grab-and-shoot setups far more practical. Autofocus is expected to include more reliable face and object tracking, building on DJI's recent progress in this area. Battery life is still a question mark. With dual sensors and higher frame rates, power consumption will likely increase. Battery life may be average rather than exceptional, meaning shorter sessions or carrying a power bank will be normal. Pricing is expected to land somewhere between $599 and $699. That's higher than the Pocket 3, but if these upgrades hold true, it could still be a fair deal. Overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 doesn't look like a flashy redesign. It looks like a smart, carefully planned evolution, focused on real shooting needs, not gimmicks. And if DJI delivers on even half of these leaks, the Pocket 4 could become one of the most capable pocket cameras ever made.